Check the question number 77. The net profit after interest and taxes of a company is 98,000. The interest and taxes paid during the year 16,000 and 30,000. What is the interest coverage ratio? So what is the formula of interest coverage ratio? So the interest coverage ratio, the formula is interest coverage ratio EBIT, earning before interest and tax divided by interest. Okay, EBIT by I, we can say. EBIT, what is the full form of EBIT? Earning before interest and taxes. So, we know that our PAT is, in that question, the PAT is given net profit after interest and taxes is 98,000. So, what is the value of EBIT, earning before interest and taxes? Just you have to add all this thing, add back 98,000 plus the tax and interest, which is 16,000 and 13,000. 16,000 plus 30,000. So the value will be 98,000 plus 16,000 plus 30,000, which is 1,44,000. So our EBIT will be 1,44,000 divided by interest. What is the value of interest? The value of interest, the interest and tax. So the interest is 16,000. So our answer will be this divided by this 9. Okay, this is my answer. Interest coverage ratio, you can say it is a 9 times interest coverage ratio. Now moving to question number 78. Here is also find out the interest coverage ratio and the net profit ratio. Okay, net profit ratio. So very simple, that the net profit ratio's formula will be NP, the net profit, divided by revenue from operation or sales. Revenue from operation. So the net profit is how much? So we have a net profit is there 3,64,000 and the sales is 40 lakhs. So revenue from operations divided by 3,64,000. So the answer will be 3,64,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. The percentage are there, 9.1%. 3,64,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. Okay, this is for part A. And for part B, the interest coverage ratio. So the interest of coverage ratio EBIT divided by interest. So what is the value of EBIT? See, the after tax, the profit after tax is 6,76,000 plus tax. So what is the value of tax? Oh sorry, one thing I did wrong, that the net profit is 10,40,000. Instead of this we have to write, actually the profit is, net profit is 10,40,000. Sorry, 10,40,000 divided by 40 lakhs. Okay, so here our value also we change. it will be 10 lakh 40,000. 26% is our answer. Here also the earning before interest and taxes is 6,76,000. The tax is 3,64,000 plus the interest. So what is the value of interest? Value of interest is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 you have to add, divided by 1,60,000, the value of the interest. So 6,76,000 plus 3,64,000 plus 1,60,000 is our EBIT, earning before interest and tax, and it's 1,60,000. So the answer is 7.5. Okay, so the interest coverage ratio is 7.5. So hope student is clear for you. Also see the question number 95. The average inventory carried by a trader is 60,000. So the average inventory are there. Inventory turnover also there. 10 times. Goods sold at a profit of 10% on cost. Find out the profit. That means the profit is missing. Okay. So in the month of November, the exam will still be held. It is all about the MCQ and the small question are there. Okay. So these are questions very important for the exam for the month of November. So the average inventory carried by a traders is 60,000. So you know, as it is a question number 95, the average inventory are there. The average inventory is 60,000. And the inventory turnover ratio also, you know, the inventory turnover ratio, it's 10 times. So basically the formula of inventory turnover ratio, COGS, cost of goods sold, divided by the average inventory. So here the average inventory's value is 10. Inventory turnover is 10. COGS we don't know. The average inventory is 60,000. So as a result, COGS, cost of goods sold, is equals to 6 lakhs. So the cost of goods sold, it's 6 lakhs. What is the value of the profit? The profit is 10% on cost. So our COGS, cost of goods sold, is 60,000. 6 lakhs, sorry. Add profit is 10%. So it will be 60,000 because profit 10% on cost. So the sales value will be 6,60,000. So this is our sales value, and the profit is 60,000. But they are asking for the find out the net profit. So the net profit will be 60,000. This will be our answer. So 60,000 is our net profit. This is all easy sums that easily we can do. Okay.